Alright, I bought a purifier. Past roughly 6 weeks, I've been waking up in the morning feeling like I've got a cold. But as soon as I leave the room, I leave for the day for work, I'm fine. Something about this room is making me feel like I've got a cold in the morning. So, I've been doing a lot of talking to this person at work that does passive. What the hell was that? Okay. So anyway, I was talking to this guy at work. Sometimes knowledge is the worst thing, because now it just freaks me out. Things he was telling me, you shouldn't buy a new couch and use it straight away. Leave it in your house or in your garage and let all the VOCs come out. Volatile, something. It scared me. So, I didn't want to spend a whole lot. Found an air purifier that had a couple of reviews online, but didn't have any videos I could actually see. Try something. Hopefully this helps someone else. We'll get started. So I think this was 145 or 150 or $150, I'm pretty sure it was at the end. So that's what we got here. Power plug. You right, Ralph? There you go. Whew. We need an air purifier just to purify the air in here. Alrighty, let's drop this out of the box. Well, oh, alright, there it is. Warranty, we don't need that. So, we've got an on button. Must be touch. Doesn't press in, so it must be boop, 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 boop. 4 hour, 8 hour Wi-Fi. Auto, high, sleep. And there's a light. Step 1. Invert the machine. Oh, open. Oh. There's the filter. Put the filter back in. Lock it back in. Click. And I think we are good to go. Now it's telling me to get the Kogan app. Kogan Smarter Home app. Install. Set the password. Alright. No devices, please add. Okay. Put that there. Now I'll switch it on first before I plug it into the machine, because I'm a little bit dangerous. But you might not want to do that, so... Ooh. So it's plugged in. Turn it on. Oh. Whoa. Okay, that's on high. Oh, cool little lights. Little blue. Ooh, little green. Ooh, turquoise. Ooh. Now, if we go... Okay, we can turn the lights on and off. Oh. So what does one do? One just goes on low. I just turn this down. Alright. So it's on. It's really quiet right now. I just wonder, I'll turn this off for a second. So what I want to know is if it tells you, if we go auto scan, oh, it does. This is kind of cool. So it's got outdoor light bulb, power strips, plugs, door locks, doorbell, cameras, garage door opener, fans, air conditioners, heaters, vacuum cleaner, kitchen appliances, smart pet feeder. We're getting that. That's cool. Okay, so we'll auto scan. Enable Wi-Fi, enable Bluetooth. It's doing something. Let's start that again. We'll go add device, auto scan. I didn't really read the instructions, so I thought it would just work for some reason. Well, it's connecting. So we've got 4 plants in here. Surely that's enough to like keep the air fresh. I'm going to test this out over the next couple of days, and then hopefully in the morning I'm feeling fresh as a daisy. This is only designed to do a small area, and I appreciate a bedroom would be as big as it could probably go. Okay. Power on device, power off after 10 seconds, then power on. Power on, 10 seconds. Hold the reset button for 5 seconds. I don't know what that button is. I'm lost. It says it's connected. Oh, here we go. Come on. I do not know how to reset the device. Okay, I just reset my router, so if that's not what it asked me to do, my phone is not connected to the Wi-Fi because you asked me to reset my router. Oh my god. Why would it ask me to reset the router? I could... Here's the thing. I could use this like it just was any other device. But I thought I'll be smart about it. I'll be able to see maybe some other settings that I don't have on here. But this is infuriating. I don't know why it tells you to reset the device. What in the jeebus am I supposed to actually press? I know I've got a button right here. It says rapidly press. So that or it's hold in. Now I'm probably wrong, I get that. But it says to reset, pressing the reset button. There is no reset button. It's an on and off button. On and off button doesn't reset. The only thing I can think of was the router. Reset the router to have the blinking light. Now I had to do all the information again. Oh my god. Ridiculous. This better work. If this doesn't freshen the air. What? Incorrect ISP username. What the hell does that mean? So I'm on the phone to Exetel. I've stuffed things royally. Oh, lesson I've learnt though. Never press reset. Click start on the old purifier. Come back tomorrow, see how everything's going.
Please hold or call back later.
28 minutes. So I'm not on the account. Bye. Oh my god. Alright, we're back. Now, this took ages, but we finally got it working. What we had to do was wait till my wife got home to fix the internet, which took her about 2 hours. So it's on auto at the moment, and when it senses some bad quality air, ironic because I just came in front of it, it turns up to like medium, keeps going until it sort of filters that out, and then it should stop in a second. Like that. So, we're going to the app, and if we go to our smarter home thing, this took ages. It really did take the shine off it. So it's telling me the temperature of where we are. So it's basically saying air quality is good, filter 100% remaining, wind speed is auto. There's not much other else you can do. You can change the wind speeds. You can turn it off from here. You can set a timer from here. And then you can change the name of it. But you can hook it up to Google, you can hook it up to Alexa and tell them to turn it on. But I'm not doing that right now because it took me ages to get to this point. But what I want to try is, when it usually senses me, it turns on to medium to like get rid of the air quality. So I'm going to just spray some deodorant in there and see what happens. Well, that's cool. So when it goes to red, it's saying it's bad quality air. And now it's back to good. There you have it. Suppose I go to sleep. It's not very loud, but once it's silent in the room it might be a little bit loud. It could be a nice little sound though. I'll check back in the morning and see how I feel, I suppose. So I've had it for about a week now. Nothing much has changed in the mornings. I'm still feeling like I've got a cold when I wake up. As soon as I get out of the house I'm fine. It must be dust and everything under the bed or something that I'm breathing in the whole time. After a bit of research, it's actually only got a HEPA filter. I just bought it because it was like good price range and I thought it might help the situation. As far as I can gather, the HEPA filter is only picking up all the small particles of dust. It's not like an expensive air purifier where you've got the UV lights and the charcoal filters. Every night when I get into bed, when it senses something, it turns on. All I have to do is muck up the air around it a little bit, and this is what happens. Let's turn on medium, now it's turned on high. So there must be a lot of dust around the bed, which like those sheets have only been changed a couple of days ago. It just makes me wonder what is actually in the mattress. All I'm actually breathing in at night time that's making me feel this way. So I'm going to clean out everything around the bed, under the bed, clean the walls, everything around it, and if I still feel like it's in a week, either have to get the mattress cleaned or just get rid of the mattress and start again. If you want to know anything else, leave it in the comments below and I'll get back to you. If there's something I can't explain, I'll just make another video and show you. Here we go. Ooh, stretchy. Final thoughts. it's doing what it's meant to do. Like it's not going to kill bacteria, it's not getting rid of mold. It's literally just filtering the air, so it is doing what it's supposed to do. It does feel fresher in here when I turn it on, when I remember. So I'd say if you had allergies to dust particles and stuff, it probably would be a good idea. That makes me think like if it's getting rid of the dust when I'm sleeping, surely it has to be something else that's setting me off. Anyway, that's it. So stick around and I'll see you next time. Bye! Your phone has been through the dust.